Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look if your Samsung Galaxy S22 series support the SD card memory expansion slot. Now, unfortunately, with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it does not support the micro SD card expansion card right here. So if I pull out the SIM tray, you can see with this Galaxy S22 Ultra, the SIM tray only have one slot for the SIM card. Unlike the Galaxy S20 Ultra, you can see if I pull out the SIM tray on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it has a slot for the SIM card and one slot for the micro SD card. So again, the quick answer is no, you do not have the expansion slot for the memory card, the SD memory card, and therefore when purchasing the device, make sure that you buy a device with high enough storage space so that you can store all your photos, favorite music or videos and apps. If you buy a small storage space device, then you may find yourself running out of space very quickly because it does not have the micro SD card slot for you to extend your memory. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.